Oh, drag's going off. Can't even reel it. Drag's going off. Oh, he's a big one. I need that net. Little hook. I'm gonna lose him. I'm gonna have to flip him. No. Yep. I had him by the skin. Sorry. Ha! Crankbait bite. Look at that. If I didn't pull him, look at that. Look, 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 look. I didn't even have to do nothing. Now that's crankbait bite. That's crankbait bite. That's a beautiful thing. What is he, about 2 pounds? 2.5, 3 pounds? Alright. That's beautiful. I wasn't expecting him at all. Thought I hit the bottom. Sticking out right here? Where? He ain't 4 pounds. Who says he's 4 pounds? Yeah, he's 4 pounds. Huh. I didn't think he was. But there's a 4-pound bass right there. Alright. I thought he was 2.5, 3. He's 4 pounds. Alright, that was great. Force him in, yeah. These little hooks, I don't want to lose them. He's a pound maybe. Yeah, you tried to get me, didn't you? Yours is very similar to mine, so I don't see why they wouldn't. Maybe this is 2.5 feet to 2.5 to 4, this one. So, yeah, it's about the same, see? It's the same. I think it's the same brand. There you go. Maybe a pound. See, they out here. They're everywhere. They're scattered. You know where I got this crankbait from? Walmart. This is a big one. Oh, he's big, Dad. I might need the net for him. Look at him. Look at him. That's a nice one. I need the net. That's big. It's big for me. He's trying to get you. Hey. Yeah, they're running. He's right under 4 pounds. He's 3 something. Look at that. Just threw the bait. I'm telling you, I was in danger of losing him, that's for sure. Yeah. You gotta appreciate YouTube, because it shows you almost everything. If the water was calm, you could get in top water right now too. Yep. That's good. He's what, about 3.5, 4? Right there. I just think it's that time of year where they're just becoming active. Yep. Nice. Beautiful.
I'll let you go. Calm down.
Yeah. Wishful thinking. That was a good hook. Alright. Well, if that's the case, I'm going to throw my spinnerbait on. Hot dog. Oh, he got your spinnerbait. Oh. Got him? Hot dog. Nice one. You don't sound that small. Yeah. No respect, you just drop them in the water like a rock, you know? I guess that's what they call a quick release. Got him. This is a small one, I think. He ain't bad, though. He ain't bad. Yeah, I wasn't expecting them. I wasn't ready for them at all. Good hook set too, though. Man, he bit me. This guy bit me. No, but he didn't have to bite me. I'm trying to help him out. You know? So he bit me again. Water's warmer than the air. Was not expecting him at all. Oh, nice one. Watch the tree. You're going right in the treetop. Yes, it is. Got him. Oh, he's a big one. He's a big one, Dad. He's a big one. Oh, well, he felt big. Yeah, this is my third cast. Third cast under that dot. Third cast under that dot. Laser eye. No, this thing is pretty tough, actually. Very much so. He smells funny too. Well, this one has got an awful lot of. He ain't trying to come out. Got him. Alright, that's not bad. He's about 2 pounds. I'll take it. Yeah, he does smell awfully strong, though. That's for sure.